In the interest of building all members' business skills, a different member each week is charged with presenting on a topic of their choosing for a 3-minute business growth section. Today, I'm going to pick the wonderful Beth Baldwin because I managed to drag her out from Canberra. And I know that you go networking because you've been over with the girls that I don't get to see anymore. But you'll have a tip. I know from all the years that we've been together, sometime over the last couple of years, you will have a tip, whether it's a tip, it's so good you should do it, or it's so rubbish, ignore it like the plague. I don't mind. Pick a tip. You got up to 3 minutes. Go.
Okay, straight away. Wow. Hi, I'm Beth Baldwin. I'm a copywriter, and my tip of the day is actually going to relate to something that's quite high on my mind at the moment, and that is that businesses who want to support other businesses sign up for newsletters. Now, my passion for newsletters comes from the fact that our social media reach is getting crap, that nobody is seeing our posts, that we are yelling into an abyss. And at any point in time, we are getting blocked, locked out, hacked, and losing our accounts. Our emailing lists don't suffer from any of these things. Earlier this week, I did a great example of that. I spent a lot of time building myself up, getting my confidence up, putting a video onto all of my social media feeds, trying to promote a workshop I have coming up next month for writing newsletters. And I had crickets by way of a response. Then I sent a newsletter to my, albeit not large because I am a local copywriter, newsletter list. And within an hour, I sold a ticket. So your newsletter list, we're signing up because we're engaged. We're signing up because we want to hear about each other. We're signing up because we understand the importance of having that information. So if you have a newsletter list, this is your tip to get out there and send your people a newsletter, let them know what you're doing. Don't think they've seen it on socials, because 2 to 15% will see your stuff on socials, whereas they say somewhere between 19 and 35 will actually open your email. So, you know, these are really the lists we need to be building. So focus on your newsletter list, send your newsletter list. And if you want to support another business, don't just like them on socials, sign up for their newsletter list too. That's my tip for today.
Excellent. Well done. Thank you so much, Beth. Yes, I find I have a Facebook group called The Sales Edge. And for anyone who wants to join, it's The Sales Edge, that starts with a T, not an S. And found that out the hard way. And I find that when I post something, you know, someone will see it or someone won't see it. But when I want them to see it, I have to go back through the entire list and say, by the way, I've just put a post up, I've put a post up, I've put a post up, I've put a post up. Like, it's when you tell people. So like in a newsletter, when you tell people, then they can read it. If you leave it for them to just find it, well, who knows how that's going to turn out. So, yep, love the tip. Thank you so much, Beth.